Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do a vlog today. We're going to IKEA and like other places, so I wanted to vlog. So I also put sunscreen on my face. That's what that is. And let me show you guys my OTP. Okay, the whole thing is from Rue 21. I also have this lace bralette under here. Amazing. Anyways, this is a shirt I wasn't really a fan of because it was like loose and all, I don't know, I'm just gonna wear it today. So yeah, everything shorts, Rue 21, Rue 21, everything's Rue 21, even the scrunchie on my hand. I remember mine. Anyways, guys, we're here. We got this mask from Dollar General because I completely forgot mine. Say yay. Can we back with it? Oh. For the parks. And that's all literally what we came for, is a desk. A black desk, guys. And now we're about to check out. Although this Cinnabon looks really good for $1. We're gonna get it. I'm not getting Cinnabon. But oh well. Done. That was a great visit, guys.
Face, baby. Mama always told me I was gonna. Diana, I wanna see you bust down, bust down, bust down.
It's so annoying. I'm home now, guys. That was pretty much quick. I mean, that was pretty quick. Didn't really do much, but hopefully I'll vlog maybe another day to combine it, or not, or this will be the end. I don't know, but I'm really about to take everything off and chill. Probably film a video because I've been trying to do my Curology, what's that called, update, but I haven't got to it yet. So hopefully. And I have this bad toothache, freaking hurts. So I think I'm just gonna chill because my head hurts with it and it's just horrible. Take some pills or something. But yeah, I mean, I don't really have any much more updates for you guys. It's just like quarantine and that stuff. So yeah.